Okay, guys, my updated Meep City house tour. Sorry, I haven't posted in a while. With that being said, I guess let's get into it. I filmed this video before, but lost the footage, so here I am at it again. Yeah, when you first walk in, there's this jail cell thing, even though there's already doors. But with that Meep City update town thing, I'm in town. People can just go in my house, and I don't want them in my house. Anyway, right here I made my own little bathroom with a shower, a toilet, oh my god, a sink, a mirror, and a clock. I have this neat thing, I don't really know what it's called. This is my family room slash living room. This is my huge TV. This is my couch. This is my kitchen where we eat, me and my family, me and my kids, my online kids. We have a high chair for the baby. No, I'm a baby now. No, I'm just kidding. I have a fridge here, a toaster, a fruit punch bowl, yeah, a little easy bake oven, a coffee machine, and another coffee machine, cookies and milk, some fruit if you wanted, a microwave, a deep fryer, a double stove slash double oven, counter space, to do things, and a double sink. Yeah. Over here is where we eat sometimes. We don't really eat here often. It's just something I did. This is a temporary table. I actually want to get a bigger one, so hopefully in future roleplays you'll see that. And here's one of my kids' bedrooms. This is their bed, fake candles, a little lamp, tissues, a dresser full of their clothes, a little rug, mirrors, a TV, some toys, a lamp on the wall, and a little dresser for more of their clothes. This kid has their own bathroom. It's a toilet, of course, a bath, there's towels, there's a sink, and there's a mirror. Why do I keep getting caught on things? Anyway, this is my daughter's room. She has a bed. I did not realize she's the only one who's gonna end up with a bathroom, really. Like, I wasn't even paying attention to that. Anyway, here's her mirror, her fake candles, her tissues, her lamp, her butterfly lamp, a dresser full of her clothes, a little rug, her bookshelf to read, a TV to watch, her fake tree, and a mirror. Just my girl's room. Oh my OMG. Why did I keep getting caught on things? I don't know. Here's my other son's room. This is his bed, his rug, his flooring, his fake candles, his tissue box, what I guess I called a lamp, his mirror, a little dresser for his clothes, a TV to sit in, a TV. I meant a couch to sit in. Who sits in a TV? And I meant to sit on a little dresser for more of his clothes. This is a TV you actually watch. A fake plant and a lamp on the wall. He also has a bathroom. There's a toilet, sink, mirror, towels, and a bath. It's just a standard bathroom and standard bedroom. Oh, I forgot to mention this living room has a coffee table. Also, we have a fake plant out here. I did not do anything with this, and I really don't care about it, but I did do this. There's little light pops when you come up, toys to play with, a place to sit, a TV to watch, computers to game on, little flowers, and a mirror. Figured just to jazz it up a little. A dresser for my other son's clothes, a fake plant, he has a lamp on the wall, a TV to watch, a couch, a little laptop for his gaming videos, his headphones, a little lava lamp, and a chair to sit in. His little carpeting here, his bed, his candles, his tissue box, and his lamp. This is my teenager son's room, so, it's like standard. He also has a bathroom. He has a meat thing, towels, a mirror, sink, a carpet, more towels, a toilet and toilet paper, and he has a standard shower, so that's his room. Let's go over here. Oh yes, this is the guest room. This is their bed, if they want to come and stay. No, it's not very private, but at the same time, I don't really have many guests come over, so I guess this is just fine for my guests in my house. This is their mirror. They have a candles. They have a fake plant. They have a dresser to put some of their clothes in. They have another lamp. They have a lamp over here. They have another tall dresser to put more of their stuff in, clothes in, whatever they want, and a TV to watch, because sometimes you want to sit in bed and watch TV. Over here is my baby's room, as you guys know. It has a lot of carpeting, toys on the carpet, dressers to put clothes in, fake candles, more toys, more dressers, more toys, a lamp, a mirror, his crib, a place where I can sit, another lamp, a place where the baby can go, a changing table for the baby. These closets block off that big place he could have fallen off of. Big plushy bunny and a TV to watch and another lamp. It's just a standard baby room, so let's do this. Yeah, standard baby room. And last but not least, this is my bedroom. Sorry I'm speeding through this. I really just want to get this video up. I have this mirror, a lamp, candles, more candles, a fake plant. My vanity also has a lamp on it. I also have a mirror on it. I have a fake plant over here. I have a wall mirror, a TV to watch, a wall lamp, a tall dresser for my clothes, a place to sit, a place I can do all my gaming videos. I have a mirror on top of that. Yeah, so this is my standard bedroom. Yeah. Basically, that's basically the whole house. This is somewhere we just moved into. I do want to get some books over here, more, read more. There's still kind of a little bit I want to do, but for the most part, we are moved into this place and getting comfortable into Meep City. So that is very, very good news. As well as that, we're also building a house at the moment in Bloxburg. Yes, we're building a new house in Bloxburg as well. But this is our house in Meep City. I think it's very good, bigger, and everyone has their own room. So, yeah. And sorry I have not posted in 6 months. Yeah, it's been that long. I've been up to other things. It's been very stressful, but I am finally back to making videos. I'm back to my roleplay videos, and I cannot wait. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, if you want to see more videos like this, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye!